The Zacks rank, value, momentum, growth, and income all factor into Zacks rank buys.
There's a bank holding company on the growth and income radar this time around. Todd Bunton, our growth and income strategist, is going to fill us in on all the details. This is Chemical Financial, which is the holding company for Chemical Bank.
Correct.
Right?
Yeah.
They've been around for a long time.
Yeah, over 95 years, headquartered in Michigan, in Midland, Michigan. They have about 178 branches throughout the state,
wow.
all in the lower peninsula. They're not in the Detroit market, though, so it's mostly central and south and west.
Okay.
But yeah, a solid little bank here. The company delivered a nice solid beat on January 27th. That was driven by solid loan growth. The company actually saw a net interest margin expansion, too, in the quarter, which is pretty rare these days in banks. The net interest margin is basically the spread between what they take in interest on loans and what they pay out on deposits. Mm-hmm. And with the 10-year declining last quarter, a lot of banks saw NIM compression, but not Chemical. And that should be a nice tailwind going forward, too. Now that the 10-year started to rise, mm-hmm. That net interest margin could expand, and that could be really good news for Chemical Financial as well as the rest of the banking industry. But like I said, solid loan growth as well, improving credit quality. The company has about half of its mortgages in commercial real estate and just other commercial type loans, and a good mix of residential mortgages mixed in there. So they're good, nice balance there, I would say, on both residential and commercial side. And in terms of earnings momentum, it's very impressive. So after the last beat, analysts raised their estimates significantly higher for both 2015 and 2016.
Yeah, what do you think caused them to change their mind?
Well, basically, a solid beat helps, but reading the analyst reports, they think that the solid loan growth can continue because of Michigan's improving economy.
Okay.
And then, yeah, hopefully that net interest margin can at least stabilize, if not improve, if that 10-year ticks up. And then, again, continued improvement in credit quality. That's all good news for banks. Sure. and good news for Chemical Financial. You can see nice increase in consensus estimates for both this year and next. It's a Zacks rank of 1, which is a strong buy rating, puts in the top 5% of all companies that we rank based on earnings momentum. Mm-hmm. And then if you look at growth projections, analysts are expecting about 11% earnings growth this year and about 14% growth next year. And then on top of that growth, they pay a dividend that yields 3.2%. So very solid income from this small cap bank here. They've steadily increased that over the last few years. They did cut that during the Great Recession like a lot of banks, but slowly been ticking that up year after year. And then on the valuation side, you can see they trade about 1.5 times tangible book value, but you can see they also have return on tangible common equity above 10%. So it's pretty solid. I put up a couple other Michigan banks here. Flagstar is up there. You have Comerica, which is a little bit bigger on the right, but you can see the earnings profile, the earnings momentum profile is a lot stronger here. The dividend's a lot stronger. And you can see, they're trading at a premium to their peers on the price to tangible book basis, but they're also generating stronger returns on that. Yeah. On that equity. So I think that premium's justified. This could be a solid total return play in 2015 as long as that Michigan economy continues to improve and keep an eye on that 10-year. As long as it stabilizes and starts to tick up, it could be good things.
All right, yeah, some good things happening here. Do you own them?
I do not.
All right, check out more stocks, stock picking strategies, stock commentary on our website, Zacks.com. Link to it all off the homepage. And don't forget, you can follow us on Facebook.com/Zacks Investment Research. With Todd, I'm Terry Ruffalo.